Welcome to the Book Like a Boss website video series. In this video, we're going to be covering site themes. To begin, we're going to click Edit Site from our site overview or dashboard, and we're going to log into the Book Like a Boss editor. Again, we're going to be looking at the left bar, and our second option down is Theme. Although our templates come designed beautifully with fonts and colors and everything preset for you, you have the ability to change anything that you wish in your Book Like a Boss website. The theme settings are what control your global settings. And when I say global, that means throughout your entire website. So as an example, we could click into this text editor here, and we could edit the text, and we could even change the size of the text, which you see here is 16 point or 16 pixels, right? And if I wanted to change that everywhere, I would have to click into every text widget throughout my site on all of the pages. If I were to use the theme options, I could then navigate down to my default paragraph text, which you can see as Railway 16. And if I change that to 18, I've already edited this one, you can see it will change all of the other text widgets for you. Something to note, if you edit a text widget, like you saw me do there, that disconnects it from the theme functionality, right? So if you're thinking of making global changes, it's definitely best to do them all at the same time. In addition to editing your typography or your text, you can see that you can update all of your theme colors, and those are listed in this panel. You can also dictate the default buttons from size, color, font, even down to the shape of the button you wish to have on your website. Scrolling down a bit further, you can also choose the defaults for your images, as well as backgrounds for all of your pages. So your theme setting are your global options. So if you want to change something on the entire website, this is definitely where you would want to do that.